Glory be to the Most High. Thanks, Lord. Curious King. Nizzle. Oh, yeah, some general.
She a try friend zone me. Hey.
Your girl.
Walk on for the friend zone.
Yeah, man, to.
With the friend zone.
Wamando.
Hey.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends want no fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends want no fit for I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try.
Oh, sir. Can't me you a cheater, no sir. Can't me you a cheater, no sir. Just when me think we a get closer, remember the things you said to me on the sofa. With ya, every funds me have a Scotia. Make plans say me woulda buy you the Porsche. But you wouldn't want settle down foot hot keckle, yo. Who you really think there for you? Remember I was there for you. Remember I'm still there for you.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends on the fit for I and I.
Hello,
Hello.
Pinky.
Hello.
What going?
There, man. What happened?
Me there. You know, say, you know, long me a try to get the number. You know, say one of my boy me call them in Jamaica there and me. I also me get the number. It's a reach out to you, man, cause boy. Are you with me there, so you know?
That's your word, man.
Are you both me get a meet a white woman and the other side, you know? So what you deal with?
Hello, somebody I do a Chevron. I go on now, man. Yo, watch out. Don't forget me, pa. Don't forget me.
No, man, me can't do that. Me nah. You get the meat white man.
All right. That's your word. Yo, cuz. How are you there? Me there, man. I can't go and give me one link right now. All right.
Pinky.
Oi, cuz.
Oh, go on. I did sitting there, son. I'm telling you, 10 minutes. So, I go on.
They reach fast, though.
So, I'm some money and forgive me.
You know, say I see him sitting there asking me for the door with Chevron, me do it, though.
Hold on. Siobhan. Him gone over already?
Yes.
Yo, you know what say, yeah, star. If nobody else me ask for this, then could have never come true. Yo, me I tell you, you're a real star. So that means I can't get in here now.
Cause it better for him and it better for you. But you know, a long time I want Alexis sisters, you know. Long time, cause. So I just hopes everything work out, cause I'm not a friend for 13 to 14 years, cause. And if you really want you would have dealt with it a long time. So just hope say no, cause me just tell us I just hope say everything work out.
It me. I sound so. You know me that will work out, man. You sound so. Gone, man. Me know say she have a heartbroken right now, and me she always a call for support. So you know, so like how she single now, that the man they gone, and me she have to deal with that now. Me will get through, man. I'm not top with the negativity, man.
Cause me just a say, cause enough man want to smell this a just scratches and can't smell it. Me have them in a friend zone, and me and them will never there. Much as you come on top of me. You hear me? I say, cause me just a tell us something.
But that, cause that are you, man. I'm telling you, man, we are going to tell me about all the just scratches for it.
Cause, you know, something like how you behave. Me just put up your gun and look at you like, I'm not like you behave, man.
I've look of faith in them, man. We will get in, so you say. Gone.
Yes, cuz.
Thousand.
Do you really?
Get the man gone yo, you're tough. You're tough, girl.
You come a boy, you jump up on an ambition and have. I'm going to tell me to forget when I white girl them give you go overseas, go make life better for you.
Stop going some. I say Alexi, me love. Look how long me look about 13, 14, me love Alexi, me love, man. I'm telling you, man. Lexi. What go on, Lexi?
Where they?
Me there home. How you sound, so?
Yeah, I'm gonna stay from when just to ask if I can come like I could chill or something.
No problem, man. We can come. You sure you're alright, man? Alright, may I come. No problem, may I come. Hello. She that I call me, no, I go over there now.
Me do that in a course and me do that.
Yo, me until later, I can't stay, man.
Alright.
That's it.
Yeah? Come here.
Come.
Yeah, a long time. Just to get a coffee.
Lexi,
Yeah?
where I look so?
Not do my eyes again.
Lexi, come on. I know you for almost 15 years now. I'm here for your son on the phone. I know say somehow.
How my son again?
You don't sound like Lexi. You don't sound like the person. You don't sound happy.
How when me never son away?
Something alright. What's your one there? Talk to me. Tell me, I know you can't talk to me.
Last week, it was with in here. I mean, I put him over everybody, my sister, my mother, everybody. I'm trying my best to make him happy. And one morning, I get up and him ask me for iron a brand new white jacket and top suit. And my iron the suit. Only thing was that him I got married. And him did I got married to somebody else.
Siobhan. Alright, don't stress out yourself over it there. Everything alright. I know it might sound hard, but everything alright. Don't worry yourself.
They gonna be able to deserve me. I always do love him. And anything he want me give him. Everything. He want me to finish service.
Sorry.
What about my man? I keep wanting him back. I forget him back. I want him back.
Everything I got, alright, let's see what. What's this? You wanna get some feet? Wanna get some feet?
Yeah.
Just relax, take some deep breaths. Let's say you want the cup soup.
Yeah, I need that.
No, I don't like it when it's soft.
Yeah, I mean, always tell us I can't eat it when it's soft. Not to eat it when it kind of off. Like, you know?
Lexi,
Yeah.
I'm looking at the cupboard and I'm not seeing nothing in there.
Akin, it's okay. I mean, since everything and with Siobhan, I'm not buy up nothing. I'm just not feel the vibe again.
I'm going to face.
Yeah.
I'm going out of town and I get some stuff here. So you don't have to worry about
Akin,
it.
you're not really happy. You're not happy.
Listen to me now. You need to stop stress out over
I'm not
this.
stressing.
Listen to me. Siobhan is no good for you. I go down in the town, get some stuff here. So you don't have to stress out over this. You need to eat.
You can say something there?
Yeah.
This is my problem. And me no need it. You're not supposed to stress over my problem. I mean, appreciate him much as though you're there. He's a really great friend to me. Me no need to feel stress. You already do enough for me and everything. I mean, everything is on Siobhan right now.
Get me? You go through one rough time, you head all over the place. I understand, but just know say I'm there for you. No matter what, I'm always there for you.
You know, I really appreciate that, right?
So, I'm going to just run some errands. I'm going to bring back some dinner for you later. Alright?
Bring back, very good, alright. No. So,
Alright, tell you what, me call you when I'm up on the road. Alright?
alright.
But take care of yourself.
What do you want?
And
I'm
don't
going to.
stress out, you know.
Yeah, man. Since you know, like, that's why I just always know that, like, yo, the connection between me as a friend, yo, I love how you just, like, you're such a great friend. Someone that take advantage. Because at this moment, like, I'm very vulnerable. And just really say, just keep it friend. Keep it as a friendship, and I really like that.
You know, so I'm always there for you. No matter what, all the time, anytime, every time.
I realize and like that.
So, I'm going to run some errands. I'm going to care about dinner for you later.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
So-
just be safe and thing. I'll call you, alright?
Alright.
Running. What? Long time I see. Hey, girl, you know, say I work on this something. Just so what, man, you look so. Girl, no, you need to cry. Why would I cry, running? Okay, it was so still, but anyway, still. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, me I get one package and me not go there here because me got dentist when you receive it from me. Oh, you want me to collect it for you? Yeah. Alright. Take care.
See. So, how you been? Good. How have you been?
I'm good. I'm just like so confused. Like, come out a deep. He won't talk about it, but I'm just coming out of a breakup with me and my boyfriend a couple of days ago. So confusing. Yeah.
This sounds like a perfect opportunity for you to give me the number, because I mean, I've been trying, just not giving me a chance.
That's true. Yeah, but I mean, like, me never see her as a type they like, I always see her like, like a friendly, like, This is the first time I'm actually coming, like, what a coincidence.
It sounds like a perfect opportunity to give me a number.
Really?
Yeah,
I'd have to think about that.
just think about it. Why not? Just give me a number, then we shall be friends.
Ready?
Yeah.
Like, I just come out for couple days ago, I come out of my relationship, and I have a mental breakdown. So I'm just not really in my right mind right now.
I mean, I think I can relate to what you're going through, because I mean, I feel like I've been through the same thing, because I mean, my girlfriend did me the same thing. She said she go foreign for a work program for 6 months, and 6 months turned into a 2 year. Last time I hear she get pickney,
Wow.
I'm married. You know what I said? So I think I can relate. So I know if you give me a number, and I mean we start talk and see what happens, I know I'll be different. You know what I say?
I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try, alright?
All right, so I'll call you. All right.
Yeah, you can do that.
All right, later.
Alright. Hello? Kamar. Wagwan. You can buy one tough crackers and one Lasco for me. Please. Alright.
Baba.
Right.
Oh, everything come up to 1200,
Yeah, man. No money, I know. So next time.
You just call me. What make you never tell me that? Let me know if I budget myself.
Stop going saying I can't buy a friend one crackers and all that come. A long time me a friend, Long time me a friend. Stop going so man.
No, man, that good, man. Now make a big deal out of it. Yeah, I go up on the road, cause I have to go out and make the little money there, see it, because I have some business to deal with.
Yeah, mama. Where you going? You tell me something before I get my money. I know my speak well. What going for me?
You know, say look thing I'm gonna do, me get through door.
Man, you can't tell me so I don't get you money. A long time I lend my money in yo.
Just hold on, so make care of this. I make a friend.
You tell me say today, I mean I look for your money today, And you make me waste my time come around here, so. Eh? And you gonna tell me say no money not today.
So,
How can I stay like more?
don't make care rush me, so me and a friend.
Friend what? Me like friend. When it comes to me money, me and nobody and a friend. And nobody make me have to load up a place. I want my money today. And nobody make me have to load up here. Where are you stealing for?
Look, hold on. Give me a couple days. Give me till Friday, please. Hey, so me get it. Me put how's that extra on the gear? Come on, I don't deal with friendship, so you know that.
And like I said, me I do nothing, When it comes to money, nobody run with me money,
Oh, calm down yourself.
Calm down what?
yourself.
Calm down what? You want me load up a place, man, make people every year about run
I'm a talk about me out gear money. But you say me and my friend, them a lay down and sleep, man.
Yo, make sure it's a Friday I'm come and me get money and nobody ramp with me, you know. You me I tell you? Nobody ramp with me, you know, because when me come to my money, you know. When me there lineate, you know, you never have to go through nothing, you know. You get nice and easy. So why when time if you come for my money, no a problem, eh? Why when if you come for my money, no a problem?
So me not tell us I sort out a couple things and it never work out. By Friday I get the money pa.
Friend, a friend.
No, no deal. No, I don't deal friendship, so man.
A friend, what not deal?
I don't deal friendship.
How can I spell that? Yes. She doesn't ever get deals.
Yeah.
You like this one?
Yeah.
Alright, so look dance all the show.
Yeah, but it was 6.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll take care of this. And then you're going to help me pick something out, alright?
Yeah, darling.
Alright.
She have some nice shirt, you know. So what kind of shirt you like? Button up or
Yeah, I prefer button up.
all in one?
Prefer button up.
It's not a button up.
Yeah, so guess what? We just allow you to
Wow.
just choose something for me. I do not go too fussy if you choose now. You just pick
I
something.
like this. It's nice.
It is nice.
I get this now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice. Cute.
Yeah. Alright, so we work with them too. Okay.
Yo, Taman. How are you there? Don't you yard? Alright. Me a call link because I have something to chat to you about. Alright. Taman.
Go on, mama.
There. Hey, I put on weird though. I love beard. What's that?
Face on with that pay fish and something, you know, so you know, I think come down, you know. So what go on? Where they pan?
You know what I say? I check my contract if you want money do.
We start out that pay. You see me? What you say you want again?
10 grand.
Know yourself, man. Now make you get that.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah. I get wrong door. Watch out.
Coming. Brownie, what's up? Brownie, what's up? You know, say you may come visit. Me can come in. Sure, come inside. Girl, you know, say, I want reason why I come over here, though. You know, say, last time I get a dream, though. But me can't figure it out. My dream say, your friend nude at your dirty water for me. Brownie dream no walk straight, so it can be anything. Yeah, I call my auntie and I ask her what that mean, and she tell me say dirty water mean disgrace, and also my dream you in it too. Brownie, I don't believe in that superstition. Like, them something I read. Like, why would you even think about that? I believe in them something. By the way, you like my friend? No, I don't like a friend, but I get a dream. I ask my auntie about it, and she tell me XYZ, but I come to make a earwag one or warn you. But anyway, still, me and my pot on fire, so in the later, so. Alright then. Yeah, later, girl. Remember, just a dream. Hello? What's up? Um,
And then, just I leave work, I head up there.
really, I thought you were gonna stop by.
Getting over right now.
So you coming by my place?
Yeah, I'm coming here.
Okay, I'm here waiting. Alright.
See you happy to see me. Come on, you miss me.
Yeah, I'm waiting so long.
Yeah, bro. I mean, they're not alive still, but they look nice with their apartment, so I just bought them.
Yeah, because the other day one of my flowers broke. But this is promise. Like, nobody never do this since we if you know, so I'm not smell them again already. Thanks. I put them over here, so.
Babes, honestly, I'm always so excited just to come and see you.
This actually I go somewhere where I wanted to go. Like everything is running fluently. And that's all I ever wanted. And I love that. Like I just feel happy and everything. How about you?
I mean, this might sound cliche, but to be honest, the way how you make me feel, sometimes I mean, I go to work and feel like I'm not want anything for the day just by just thinking of you.
Really?
Swear.
I explain to you everything we're going and you just make me feel happy and I just feel like this I go work. I just feel good.
I love how you just express yourself to me. I mean, just thinking about the first time we kissed, like for days, my body was numb.
So like what's your point of view on marriage? What do you think?
Yeah, I do believe in marriage. Matter of fact, we have the right chemistry, and if we do get married, it's for a lifetime.
Really?
Yeah, it's for a lifetime. Believe in marriage, don't believe in divorce. What do you think about kids?
I mean, of course. I mean, that's the sweetest gift from God, having kids stuff just running around the place. You know? That's sweet. I mean, just to produce with somebody you love for the rest of your life. What could be more greater?
It's a good start.
Very good start. I mean, just a picture it from now. It's me walking at the altar, and then the night we go to the honeymoon. Yeah?
Ice cream and chocolate.
What about me, Jay?
My favorite? Oh, strawberry.
Pick up yourself.
Thanks. Sure.
You want right? You want
No. No, come eat. We're doing ice cream and everything. Come. Come on, let's get. Yeah. So, and then we'll let you. Babe, last for the ice cream?
Yeah, man. Now eat some of the ice cream, yes.
Alright, Akeem, get a spoon and a cup for me, please. Spoon and a cup, it's in the kitchen. You look like you're in a place. Hurry up. Before it melts.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good. It was nice. You said the chocolate?
Hello. Why?
Yeah, please.
No good.
Yeah, right? Since you're coming, you're being kind of tense.
No, I wonder if from earlier today that it alright, you know?
Oh, today. I told you I'm good, I'm good. Get over that already. So, you enjoy the ice cream? Enjoy the ice cream, babe?
Yeah, babe. It's really nice. Akim, honestly, you have been a real good friend to Lexi. You know what I mean? Could never ask for a better friend for her.
Yeah, he's a gentleman.
No, it's alright, man. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, I gotta get going because, you know,
Oh, you want me to leave them to do this?
No problem.
I'm gonna leave them, right?
Alright. Let's see. Seriously?
Akin, serious with what? What?
My day here, I'm gonna see this over and over again.
How you feel? Listen, Siobhan broke my heart. Siobhan tore me into pieces. And I have somebody that I'm happy with. And we're friends. You should be happy. You should be sticking by my side. Not like going against me.
Lexi, you can't say me look out for your best interest.
My best, then if you're looking for my best interest, be happy that we find somebody, not sad.
Listen,
All you have to do is be happy.
can you listen to me? Can you listen to me for a
Alright.
second?
Alright.
Right now, you are able like on a track star. You won't move too fast. You need to see what we've been doing.
You're glad to say you're concerned. I am so appreciative. But I mean, it's like you want to separate. We're being good. We're going strong. All you wanted from me was happiness. And I'm happy. So that is what I want right now. Happiness. Aren't you happy for me?
Lexi, me just concerned. What's up?
I'm glad that you're as friends, I'm glad that you're concerned. Really appreciate that. But in good. I'm happy with it. Alright?
I'm say that I'm just concerned, but being friends, yeah. So, I'm gonna trust you. I'm gonna trust you.
That's all more if you could trust me.
Alright.
Alright? I'm leaving.
Alright.
I'll call you.
Alright. Good night.
Good night. Thanks.
Me don't want this to come off as being me feeling jealous or anything, but to be honest, your friend made me feel really uncomfortable. Just in body language, just the whole vibe. Me feel like it's either I'm jealous of both of us or I'm really like you.
Alright, look, we don't really want to take things the wrong road right now. I mean, Akin is just a friend, like a long time friend, and he's been there like for me, like whenever I go through things, even the last time I got my heart broken and all of that, and he was the only one who was there. So him just always look out for me and nothing else. So I don't think you should feel threatened or anything, because everything is just friends between me and him. And I'm focusing on you right now. You know, we've been talking like forever, and I'm feeling it right now. So let's just focus on us.
Alright, if you say so.
Alright, no. Yeah.
Yeah, I was about to do
Yeah.
and then you stopped me.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, let me sit down.
Get a beer for you. Set your foot good, man. Sure. Where you going over now?
Cause what happened now? Make you buy beer, give me.
So what? Stop going someone.
What you want?
Stop going someone. You know, say differently do. Alexi again, you know. No, so I go over there and like she get one new man. I not even know which part this man I come from. Come in and like send me out to go share up ice cream with this man and say, me cut up, you know. She not even know me feel when I go over there. And me keep it cool. I'm not want to turn me. That's why I'm going to link you because I want to line up, see him link, see if I can get this one. Then send him go foreign, see him. You see me? Can know some rate, like, I don't really like I'm doing something, you know, but, yo, 13-year man, I need more time in my life. You can't sort out that one for me.
No, man, cause me can't take fear, stress, and problem. Me not done settling already for your cause. Furthermore, while link them gone over, they now come till me.
It's alright. It's alright. Me sort out it. Me I go deal with it for myself. Me sort out it.
Cause nobody go do no foolishness, you know.
No. It's alright. Cool. Everything cool. Don't worry yourself. You say your white link get mashed up or whatever and you can't push it. Me will work out something. But thanks, yeah, man. How we link?
B,
Yeah.
you not go work.
Yeah. What time is it?
So now go to 11. Come on, get ready.
Alright, and thanks for waking me up. All right.
Yeah. Babes, look like me gonna start getting a good senior, you know. Take a beat you out.
Come like you're mad. I prefer lose my work.
Hello? Hello? Yeah? Yeah.
Alright, so my next time I'm gonna get home right now. I'm gonna take that window.
Your windows?
So windows them because I don't want to.
Alright. I'll do that. You okay though? Babes, may I go over and hear you? I'm my best friend. I gotta take up from first field. Alright? Alright.
Alexei, I don't think this is going to work out. I have a lot of things on my mind, and I've just been making it more difficult. I really don't know how to say this, but I'll try to be as diplomatic as I possibly can. My ex-girlfriend, she helped me to, acquire a job close to where she lives. And that job I was always telling you about that you didn't seem to find interesting. And she's also pregnant. I'm sorry, Alexi, but this is just how it is. Take care.
Why do you want to floor cry? No.
I'm thinking of
No.
I'm so broken.
So what may I tell you? I believe it's not true.
Just give up. We just
Sorry, we're dead here. Yeah. Everything I got. Everything I got. So I always I tell you. Tell her, so I always there for you. You're comfortable, man. Sleep. You must hungry, man. I know. Yeah. Have a night one. All the got for do I just leave early one on. Me there here for 13 years. As a matter of fact, over 13 years. Lexi send me go everywhere. Everything me do it for her. But you do for her, nothing. You just want to come and enjoy her. Now I'm gonna work. I never mean to get involved in a Lexi thing, you know. Honest to God. So just let me go and me just make it and yeah, she just work out and everything good. Just pretend like nothing ever happened. And that's how this thing work, you know. I keep her here until I decide how I'm gonna do it up. See how things work out with me and Lexi. Yeah. So. I'm not poison, man. They don't want to kill them would have do that a long time. That's the Alright. Go on and make your bed. I've got lay in it just the same. Start. Walk, where come from now? Which kind of maintenance you're talking now? Iva, what kind of maintenance you're talking about now? No, this serious. Remember saying the me I hear you, Iva. What you say now? Remember something do DNA pan share them already, you know, and share them from the 5, you know. Only 2 minutes do DNA pan yet, you know. So why should I give you maintenance for the 2 of them? I'm gonna do the DNA yet. But me never reach. Everyone I race them 5 times, Iva. 5 times. That's why I tell police come find me now. Because I'm there now, nobody can find me. But they're different place. But they know where it was out. But they can't find me. You see, said man. The said man there give the church make him mind put them. No, the said man over here get yo, you know. I go take much change the number here, you know. Me go change the number here, make you can call me Iva. Iva, I go want you love me, you know. Me go want you love me. When the first, you know, when the first DNA come, you say, oops, accident that one. When the second one come, what you say? What you say? No, the third one, wait till the fifth one. Winner, all the time you go see me, I want to come for the DNA for the next 2 with them. So if I don't call the phone, call the man them, who give the first 3 and make them man the last 2. Care about your maintenance, you know, because I'm not at the entrance anymore. You saw for me there.
Me de far from you. 444. What me owe you for? You barely can't do nothing much. But you catch my eye top, or you can't catch my eye top. You barely can't do nothing. So we owe you for. The pensions money they done long time, come to give you money. We take care of you, I make you fat, you know. When I work the night shift, a security company, then somebody day them gonna work on site to take care of you.
You tell me say you're gonna work. You tell me all of that. If you sit down in a house like figuring, how are you able?
You never want to go walk. I never tell you to turn a yard. You never want to go walk. Who never want you to go walk? No, I tell you not to walk at the go-go club. The street dancing is not for you. I told you not to dance at the go-go club. How that walk you can do? You couldn't do that walk.
Anything you know, no matter what you want to do. You still get paid, don't it?
You are my mistake, you know. After school days, me and your day, you know. Anyway, me never must talk to me, I gotta walk. Come from my phone and now. You do your time.
See? Me I go fix your business. Just try to
go fix your first. Yeah, go fix your first. You don't know me. Go fix your business first.
Okay, remember.
Buck, after you cow. Later. Alright, your backside.
Morning, get
Morning.
Maybe I get some, please.
No,
No,
stop.
finish. You have any sugar? Yeah, do anything later?
Well, I
Just-
gotta work and come back.
Just invite you over for your drink.
Alright, so I'm not do drink, but
No, it's not literally liquor. Just have a drink, tea, water, anything you want.
alright, that's cool. Cause your neighbor was kind of crazy. So you could do
Yeah,
different.
man. You?
Me alive.
Yeah, sure.
Me alive. Yeah, it shows me alive.
All right.
Alright.
Later.
Later.
What's up, Akin?
Morning.
Morning.
Alright.
Yes, I'm good. What's up?
Hey, you're over. Can I make breakfast?
Yeah, I'm making tea, actually. What's your hand? Why you holding your hand?
No, man, you know, if I'm in the shower, it's something I'll drop to my hand.
What?
And big like it's spray.
Why? It's not broke. But it's sprayed. Alright, one was to go. I'm making tea and come back.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Yeah.
It is.
You want to give me other?
No, switch over the food.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Father God, as we come to you, I want to thank you for providing this for us. Thank you for strength. Thanking you for your mercy upon us. Thanking you for protection and all that. And all I want to say, Father God, is just keep on protecting us, guiding us. Cover us under your blood as we come before you. In your precious name we ask.
Amen.
You need to be more careful, though. Can't hurt yourself. Worse than that. Alright?
I might not even remember some of my hand sick. Yo, sandwich bad.
Thank
But
you.
my hand, this morning, me in the shower, like me, I forget one of them. You know, the mat, them, my stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the soap, I mean, they enjoy myself, whoops, slip and drop right.
You have to be more, careful. I can't.
What happened?
put money in at this salon going last night.
Mr. Make on the road.
Yeah, Mike.
Yeah, well, this never too much still, you know, so yeah, why you have to go there now. You have to go back out earlier this evening, you know. Yeah, come on, get some rest, man. And don't sleep oversleep, you know. Don't oversleep, because you have to go out early.
You know what's the difference though, cause I take a money from you, you know. I go on, let's stay.
Cause, I'm gonna take a money from you.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Every time you're going like you want to style me though. It's a change of money.
Cause me not no money, cause.
Alright. No, I appreciate it.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, how you Alexi?
Alexi good man. We're good. Right now, I got beard. I got all that fresh and go over there right now.
You should never go there by now, cause I'm not beard too.
I rush nothing, you know. Hey, here up. I'm gonna move right now, you know. So, ain't still. Alright?
Cause.
Yo, mama. Forward.
What now?
You're good.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, what I think reach, you know.
Mm.
I'm jealous and never deal with it, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, friend, though.
My friend, long time, man.
Long time if you cross a bridge then.
Yeah. So if I'm going someone, may have a friend long time.
True, man. Yourself, man. You me?
Thanks.
Yeah. Go and fuck up, see when you're here.
Yeah.
I mean, like a big fish right around there.
Yo, come leave me right now. I have the money for you. Mm.
Pink! Oh. Wow. Make sure some party of her. When I force it today. Oh. Yo, your friend, you know, man, something can go on, you know.
No.
Listen.
No. Friendship broke right, I say, don't write that song. You get back your money, friendship, don't have some. Move first and go on my business. Go on. Move.
Yeah, you go along. All because you borrow my money. Me ask you back feet when me forget it back. I know you give me it back. A problem. When you give me it back, a problem. You see, no?
Come out and go on. One.
Everything good.
Where?
Me have yard, you know. Me live somewhere. Not treat me live. You see, no? You go on there again, here.
Akeem, you have to go home now. You know you can't sleep over here. You have to go home now.
Oh, time.
No, but one. Can't believe I slept away. People all of us.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man. I'm the CF while I'm going home, alright? Oh, Akeem, when you get some things for me tomorrow, alright? Thanks. You know you're a real friend. Couldn't ask for a better friend. Good night. Tired. Wow.
Man,
Everything is okay.
yeah, man, I good now.
You know, say, I'm a phone there's zero. Like, absolutely see him just come for borrow your charger.
I think we're calling our charger still.
Yeah, I would really appreciate that. I'm phone dead right now.
My phone, not too strong enough. So I'm going to want my charger. Then I don't charge the phone.
Sure.
Don't be like other people that will lend things and not get it.
Come on, Russ. I won't do that.
Alright. 3 years.
Thanks.
Look one and check it.
Yeah, it's the right one, see? Same charging port.
They're going to fit tonight.
Yeah, man, it's gonna fit. Thanks.
Huh.
Because a lot of persons don't like lend out iPhone charger. So, thanks. What's up?
Girl, you know the charger I'm coming from.
Ooh, charger. Give me everything. Sorry for all it up.
Yeah, but tell her, you know, say, I have things to do, you know what I mean? And still, see, my thing will mash up because of this and now.
I fell asleep. I'm sorry. I was so tired. Why you always deal with me so rough? What me ever do?
What nah, I deal the rough, but I just discipline, you know what I mean? Come on, you like this, you know. Discipline, that's why I know people don't agree. You know what I mean?
Well, you always do it. Like, I don't know if me ever do something or I don't know.
You see, pretty woman always do a thing to me because them always hurt me, you know what I mean? That's why I ask about myself, you know. You know what I mean? You know when I see my big mother that them pretty like money.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you know, work hard with them because them just to be a man is sometimes you know, faithful, you know what I mean? And they're not loyal. So I'm pretty woman, we don't trust them too much, we let that thing, that's why I give it back. It's if you're an ugly girl, but they keep. That's how it is, yeah.
But Russ, I never put you on my nice thing.
My heart work too much time with pretty woman here. Go.
Good for you.
Guess I was too shy, but the friends were not fit for I and yeah, Lexi. Yeah, yeah, we're talking this morning. Yes, may go that reason. Unfortunately, we are coming a little bit late, but as soon as we reach in, I said, me just get some information, so I have to deal with some thing. Then we look a bit later than what we planned. You know what I mean? So, I think you're going to be interested, though, for real, what I reason and get to know you. So, just give me a little more extra time from 7 o'clock, not come back on time. Alright? Let me know if you want me to carry anything for you or anything, right? See you later. Alright. Yo, what? Yo, Wagwan, I like a style of what you know. You just see me talk to you and you just call her with so G. How you deal with?
Hold on, what you talking about?
The Pinky, yo, already you come down and see me and Pinky attack. You just call her with.
Pinky, I'm a friend, brother.
So you and Pinky are friend. But friend thing for know them bound the G, cause right now, you know. I look some from Pinky, you know, G. You see me? And you just come down and just come blow up everything.
That nah go work out, brother.
What you mean by it not gonna work out?
Brother, friends don't have you all away now, brother. Me I tell you that.
A joke thing you tell me.
Brother, a serious thing me I tell you, brother.
A joke thing you tell me.
You all away there in a friend zone, brother.
Me what you say, you know, but you go see what me I go do.
That sound like a badness you post. A whole heap of man, brother. A whole heap of man said that and no work. You don't know Pinky. But go and try your things, still.
I tell you a thing, one. I'll show you something so you tell the world.
I think a joke me I make. Now hear, feel.
Last night,
Last night, guess what happened this morning?
Oh.
That's what night time.
No, sorry. That was just a mistake.
That's good if you think about it though.
This morning, I overheard you talking about some things.
The long story though, you know what I mean? So this is why I just once my time because where me talk about my money now. Me and this girl left from our school, right? And family we take our virginity, you know what I mean? But them stepfather and other things. Me not know, but them had work like a long before me, them other things. So for the first who born, it does say our youth feel like stepfather, so the girl's stepfather, right? I always said, but kind of so we don't have to do with DNA. You know what I mean? Because me and our dates, my time she go back to our mother. And today say, why she come back on my and said, yeah. Second kidney, I see him go along. So I said, maybe the family then favorite and the stepfather. Well, I was still in a unprotected plan to married and plan to blah things. So look for file them come through from my family. So I'm after the whole family. You know what I mean? And same time now. When we start with the whole process called everybody have to have the same DNA if we can't move with the family. You know what I mean? So I just realized it. Family the first, 3 picking realize it enough. And 5 finish 7. So now after that we done the way it kind of mash up my nerves. I kind of stay away from people just left from the so get a room and grill and just live from myself. You know what I mean? And just try to build up myself back to be the people. But this girl and Kevin got what feel like stupid and then.
I always hear them story here now, and it's like, but it happened to my cousin already. But we never know say other people out there go through this. I mean, in all of him, brother and sister them gone. He's the only one who's out there right now.
What where we go?
Hmm?
What's happened?
Because when the nitty-gritty come down and all of them was the right father. He was the, yeah, they were fighting. And he was the only one that when it come to the nitty-gritty, he was a jacket.
But don't have for that, enough for that.
Yeah, man.
Because that kind of set me in one place and now where me I wonder if love really exists. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You think the love really exists?
To be honest, love still exists. I believe love exists.
So are you in love?
Why? To be honest, right now, I am not in love. Because the experience me have never pretty and not easy. Me no know, like, for me as a woman, I go through a lot of hurt and abuse and disrespect and all of them something. So me never lucky with finding a love. But I know deep down that love is there. I remember, and me not really tell people this because it's very embarrassing. But I remember I had a boyfriend, my man. Me tell us I love him. Serious love. Whenever me see him, it's like my face on fire. I mean, when I say face on fire, I mean, I feel like a joke thing. I just want me feel electric waves through my body because I love. And believe you me, when you love somebody, you feel different. You understand? And I remember one morning, we got up and me I press some clothes and tell me say at church you go. You understand? And I press the suit. I press it like me press it happily because me know I'm a man and if you say I go to church, me love that. You understand?
I go church.
And me not go church. But if you say him go church, I love that. It better ain't go church than go bar go play than me know, you know? So me press it willingly, properly. Me press it with me loving. Me press it with everything. And me tell you say the man, me never know say me a press clothes if he go married other woman.
Hmm?
You know that feel?
So you find out?
And one of my friend go to the wedding and see him and she come back and tell me. I tell you.
So he come back?
He never come back and when him overseas with the woman him call me. even when that go on, I remember me not gonna really make nothing start my happiness. Because I one thing with me, I rough it out and me come back. And me find somebody else. You know? Talk to them, you know? Me try to save everything can pretty have and forgot that out of my mind. Me just simply go up on the road go do a little thing, you know. And so me come back, me not see him. It's a letter me see on the table. It's a letter me not even want to read it because I don't want to break down right now.
Maybe just make out their ears at the same time.
Them always say when two persons share the same experience, it's good for the connection and it's good for a strong bond. It's a good thing. Say me have a good best friend side me. It make me get listen to me, man. Me I tell you, it come like I was God sending for me. Whenever me hungry, whenever me feel down, I him see man when even when that the man they deal with me, on deal with me, no man, I him there beside me, no. I him come and me cry on him shoulder and him never try you know, push it.
Is that a good friend?
Yeah, a good friend.
But just say that you're saying because when I'm moving, I feel a vibration, but to me go to a lot of things in my brain. That's why I think say we never really start talk from earlier. But the time I have something that mind, that's not so man. Same way.
Share call again.
No answer. So you know, manage them sometimes. So, but me like something about the Andrew. There's a crime tonight, you know.
Really now?
Yeah, I feel the
Okay,
connection.
no crime.
Like it means something though. Like, you know. But then feel I will call for one thing, so I will call me and go the rest. So
You're funny.
yeah, but we have to talk though. Come anything I do now, we really like get to know you first. You will like to know your family. We have to see them in person. But if we talk about them one real personality, because the thing when I think I'm doing all the while is actually jumping at something too fast.
Too fast. And I think that's the problem nowadays. I think people forget to know people. Worse if you're looking for something serious. I believe in that.
Oh, well, some sleep. I've got to work a morning. But maybe talk tomorrow. Maybe we have dinner tomorrow.
All right, no problem.
Sure.
All right.
All right.
Have a great night.
Thank you. What?
Me there, you know.
How you look so?
Oh.
You look like you had a real skin smooth so. Out of time, what day me I pray though?
No, man, me and your friend, man, I pray.
I mean, think I found what day every time when I rub me down the pinky, a big ghost bumper take me up, you know. I'm tell you, pinky, you know what a long time I like.
We are friend, man. We are friend. Long time we are friend now, man.
I think I am also. And anything we ask me for, me give you.
You're supposed to. We are friend.
Pinky, I like what you said that to them, that me can give me some of myself, you know.
There's something here and a friend something.
So that you say? So my money a friend money. Yo, it's the money when me give you. Or you borrow from me. You can't keep back to.
Yo, so what that mean?
What that mean? Every time you see me here, touch me up, and me think that things are go happen or things are going. And that make me feel all the while, you know. And that make me feel all the while, like every time, and me think that they do want. Anytime you do all something, they know what a girl just stop and come around me and be a black hair, black traffic when I do that. Alright, Pinky. Delete my number.
friends wanna fit I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just open up and give your friend a try. Guess I was too shy, but the friends wanna fit I and I. Me love you, me not lie. Just
I'm not gonna keep waiting. Let me grab my purse. Put this back in my closet.
ready?
That's what I'm saying.
No, like the food never so hot. I think it could be better than how they cook.
I don't know, but so like,
But the reggae people don't want to.
so many experience so far. You're such a charmer. That's what I like about you. You're very charming. I'm a gravitate to that. So, you sleeping tonight?
Yes, I think that was good.
Yeah, sure. But no sex.
No sex?
No. No.
Oh, wait,
So
still.
you can go to the shower, and after taking a shower, come in bed comfortably, you drink properly and nice and something.
Alright, take it slow. The Gemini show.
Right after you meet. Remember we said no sex, eh? Clean towels are in the bathroom now to worry about this thing.
Alright. This is mad, me, you know. You're pretty, and then you know how to work. One thing I have to want to do, you know.
What's that?
If you love kids, you go work, I'm a breeder.
Really?
Yeah. I know food me have all over the place, but I'm not a wild man. You know what I mean? But let me tell you from a long time, say, I always have some pretty woman, but when they're not straight, it always does not work out. Cause I really smart in that world, you know what I mean? But there's something about you though. I mean, I'm like, I always see you, I admire you. When you do this, then the next room down. Down.
And you always be mean to me. Why though?
Let me
And
tell
look at you now.
what I'm saying though. I always go through the problem with pretty woman, and because you're pretty, me do thing wrong though, 'cause I was like judging you. Me I feel say you're somebody's different, you know what I mean? But I was wrong though, I was judging you, but no, me get to know you. Well, I say, yeah, it's a genuine girl, you know what I mean? And
And you are as well.
oh, you gonna, I'm gonna have a key for?
Nobody know Vicky. Where you thought? Oh,
Sorry.
No, Akim. Akim.
what's up?
Like more and because they gave me.
Yeah. I know. What's up over there?
I just came to get some like more so I just came to pick up work now.
Akim, come on. We both know you're not just my family. Look when you walk out, like something happened. What happened?
Oh, let's say we're friends. Well, we just come over and collect things. It's just not really surprise, like whenever
Listen. I know you're probably angry with me right now, but trust me on this one. This is the last time. Like, if this no work out for me, may I turn on none. Like, I'm gonna be flooded. No joke. I'm serious. Just trust me on this one. The rest are going good. I mean, everything is going perfect. This is my last time.
I believe you. And as myself, I'm very there. I'm very different. So like I'm support it. I'm support it. But as I said, I'm coming for the surprise because just the other day. Midnight.
Listen, I know. We know you're gonna always repeat, but just trust me on this one. I feel like, I'm serious. Like, I put my all in this, and this is like the last time. But guess what? I'm gonna talk about this tomorrow because in there, I want to feel that way. Like, no, I'm not too suspicious. So tomorrow, we're gonna talk about this. All right? Thanks for always being here with me. You know you're a great friend.
Alright.
And could have never asked for a better friend. Alright? Talk about this tomorrow. Good night.
Master man, funny though. But Jim there. We see you from Alexi place. You know if you know about me and Alexi close, you understand?
Yeah, I know your man, because you tell me nothing about you, know, see it?
That man, we're friends for about 13, 14 years now. And soon like when I get close, plus I make sure say, you know one of them man that will come through for use and hurt her, you know? Because as me tell you, you know, me and her are friends for a long time. I know so she been through a whole lot. I'm always concerned about her feelings. Man,
Yeah,
best friend, isn't it?
Yeah, man. In terms of you're not our best friend, just tell me that. So you're not our best friend for a long time, you know what I mean? And me and her get close. And we go get closer, you know what I mean? So, as our best friend, we are sure our level body say, yo, if we walk, go down the aisle and she say, I do, and get some kids and think you can be godfather and you can be best man at Wednesday. So, all plans, we not plan to change our world, you know. Because she's a nice girl. I just plan to enhance it and make it nicer. You know, she got through enough things to show. She showed me the 100. You know what I mean? And you did it for her, and that was a good look as a friend. You did it for your friend. So, at no point in time, I'm not this, you know. You can come over and watch a movie, we drink 2 beers, said we, because we are thugs. You know what I mean? So, when I did them, because you notice, when I say I come with no woman, you can't carry a woman come too.
I'm really interested to make a next friend because, as I tell you, Lexi, I'm my friend for 13, 14 years. So, I don't worry about me and a woman in a relationship. But you know what I said? No, don't worry about that. We just want to make sure, say, oh, they have our best interest at that. You understand? Yeah, man. So, I don't worry about if me and Karen or woman come over there, yes or no. And not that me at all. Nobody on my side that conversation. Don't want to hurt my friend's feelings. You understand?
I see you push coming in the house right there still. I see you run back out. You know what I mean? But even the key where you have, I think after a while, I'll take it back because you can't come in the house. So you're in best friend here, but you have to have boundary.
I hear you, man. That type thing, you know. Get room, no one hard. But it's alright. Everything good.
Yeah, man.
Or yourself, man. Everything. Bless up yourself.
Bunny down.
Get a beer for you. Set your foot good, man. Sure. Where you going to now?
Cause what happened now? Make y'all buy beer, give me.
So, stop going someone.
What you want?
Stop going someone. You know, say differently do. Lexi again, you know. You know, say me go over there and like she get one new man. I not even know which part this man I come from. Come in and like send me out to go share up ice cream with this man and say, yo, me cut up, you know. She not even know me feel when I go over there. But me just keep it cool. I'm not want to turn. That's why I'm going to link your cards. I want to line up, see him link, see if I can get this one. Make them send him go foreign, see if me. You see me? You know some rate, like, I don't really like I'm doing something, you know, but yo, 13 year man, I need more time in my life. Man. You can't sort out that one for me.
No, man, cause me can't take fear, stress, and problem. Me done settle link already for you, cause furthermore, while link them gone over there, now come till me.
Zara, me sort out it. Me go deal with it for myself. Me sort out it.
Cause But I go do no foolishness, you know.
It's alright. Cool, everything cool. Don't worry yourself. You say your white link get mashed up or whatever, and you can't push it. May work out something. But thanks, you man. How we link?
I call
Yeah. Akin. Same person will get a package for drop off, man. Yeah, I'm ready for you to make it drop off right now. Yeah, man, right now, no. I remember, tell him say Alexis said for drop it off. Yeah. Alright, respect.
King man!
Yo,
No, we get a package for Lexi.
who send package to give me?
For Lexi, but they say
She might tell him what that still about me and forward. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Yeah. Wait, if you know.
yeah, man, if you get on 1,000 as delivery.
No, you want
I work, you know.
No, sorry.
Alright. You know when she come back?
No, but I know.
Alright.
Lexi, look at that message. Yo, I got to away with oh, that is. I'm trying to find if I keep me like him, want to know about this something.
Can't allow that youth to kill you, Because man, you're a madman, no man. Which sense of somebody that ain't right, man. I go have with tie up, brother, over woman. This don't even make no sense.
Yo, all I know now is something I survive right now. We can't mix. We don't know you, Jack. I know that you get there with the woman. You want the woman. You tell the woman, say you want thing. No, when I'm a man, there the woman know you are jealous and all. You look along at the woman, a friend. See you, they can't trust people, But what I say? But you are going. Anything in the movement, chipping foot, you tap on the head or whatever. But if you chipping foot, you tap on the head.
I must want some water or something.
Yeah, we like some food, Peter. Yeah, we like some.
So you eat Rasta? I'll do a... No, go and go to the... Why you eat?
The same thing I can't say that, man. Same thing.
What for you? Same thing?
Yeah, man, same thing. Yo, daddy, when you let you go?
You can't take your money now. You can't take her.
Don't worry about that, man. When I feel it now, when I feel the pressure them run us up, I go on and build some more, man. You're not over it.
You see, tell me, I'm a real idiot, dog.
You want to go for that, man. Because she go on next man. Because she can't live alone. She has go on, man. So, she tie you up there. She get me. So she get the next man go there. If we're not any, we have to find a way of chip him and tap on him.
Akeem!
But
Where?
what you mean?
What just happened, Akeem?
You're really an overreact, right?
I am not overreacting. Akeem, you have never hugged me like that before. You never hugged me upside. Why you do that? What?
I try to comfort you, Lexi, because
Comfort
you're
me.
not happy.
I'm okay. And you're my best friend. You comfort me in different ways, not hugging me up and trying to kiss me.
Because me always hear say you want a boyfriend and you know because me always there for you.
What kind of behavior is? What if Rasta did come and see you? What if him did come see you and do this? Or you can't do them someday?
Rasta, Lexi.
Yes.
Me hate fair to break it to you again. But me see Rasta pack up him things and man gone. I mean me say I just see it now, I just like the other rest of man them leave him.
No. Probably him just gone to the supermarket and get something. Him not gonna just get up and leave like that.
Me talk to him nah come back.
Listen.
No, you hear me say? Me talk to him nah come back, him done with you. Him no want you.
Actually, just shut up. Shut up. Be like, yeah, get me really angry right now. You know if he want me, he does. And him serious about me.
Alright.
So don't say that.
Alright, call him phone. Call him phone right now.
I always try to come with a BS. So let me just put this
Call.
once. Right. I don't call him. Make you stay.
Just want to keep on right.
Relax. He's gonna answer. Don't say that.
I'm tired to say about you listening.
Shut up. Hey, I'm gonna lose it.
How many times the phone ringing when you call?
Probably, as me saying, probably gone to supermarket. Just give it some time.
You want to try again? You want to try again?
Alright, I'm gonna try one more time. Because probably his phone turn off. He not really keep on his phone. So just listen. Just listen. Alright?
Listen, I'm always there.
Fuck up again. Shut up or shut up. Shut up.
Answer. Don't do this to yourself, Lexi. Lexi, not do this to yourself. Them. Look here, I'm always there for you. Just
listen.
don't.
Probably phone lost or something. Don't try to manipulate me. Probably something go wrong right now. Just stop.
Lexi, tap nice. For 15 years, I have been calm. Listen, tap nice. I deserve a chance. Me supposed to step on a bed right, you know. Everywhere you want to go, I carry up. Ain't never buy no gas. Everything on me is spending money. The whole of man them come here, I'm my time now. I feel my time now. Listen to me, Lexi. Listen to me. Everything I sort out for you. Everything. Lexi, you would even know, you know. You see things that me do for you, nobody in this world out there never do that for you. Some things that me not even can talk about.
Why?
You me do it for.
Really?
So, you know, you not even know, you know. The things that I do for you save you when nobody else would not do them things for you. And I can't even breathe a word of them things. Me and my friend zone too long. I'm tired of it. I need to come out of the friend zone. And if I can't come out of the friendship of dust, done.
Well, so be the case then, Akeem. Because if you want to break this, so we have this friendship that we have because you want to get into me, well, fine. Fine. But all I see you as is a friend. Nothing more. Get that. Yes, grandma. And I have me there. I will look at everything alright.
Man, no, you know. Yo, we'll talk to her then. You know, right?
Come on, come.
Yo, what open here, sir?
Yo, call the police, help me.
Yeah, call the police, them, man. Do.
Help me. Hakeem, I'll be tired, bro, now.
Let's call the police. Let's do that.
We can't help Papa.
Let's call the police, man. Could have you in? Let's call the police.
Wow. How was it there last night?
Me ain't there, no.
I'm going to see your cousin. Sit down and I sit here. Me I talk to him and he not say nothing, you know. And it's not a man like that. Because when he yell me. And by me look, I just turn back. Because I don't like the way I look. So I walk on between you and him. Because almost, you know him?
Babes, no way, me no. Well, I want to say no, but I want to say it.
You must say me your man, you know. You're supposed to can tell me anything. I'm supposed to can tell you anything. I'm right. You say you're safe.
Tell the truth, you know, so I'm going to grandma yard. I keep them two Alexi man them. You know, so like saying obsessed with Lexi, bad.
That your cousin really are going with? No, me I tell you the truth, you know. We love you, you know, but we can't turn you tonight. So you are busy. You can check your morning.
So be you left me one year.
Listen, I think you're more safer than me because you're in blood. Him not do nothing. So you are. You're more safer. Trust me, I tell you the truth. Tomorrow morning, yeah?
What is it?
I mean, you know, sis.
Come on, the door open. Let's push it.
Why, sis? What man?
Not that him.
You want something out there from go one listen one go and check you first. Well, ask one local story. What if somebody will you love till you want something you know dangerous? Where it's to somebody where you know life in that danger and you can save their life, but you know want betray the somebody where you love. What do you think is the best idea, sis? Me don't really, me want to, you know, because I don't want to betray nobody love.
Well, not tell no lie no. Although me love the person, we tell me the story. Me not tell no lie. Would I rather go to the authority and make them know about it just to save two person life. How I go on? That sound like something I go on. What really happened?
No. That's something I try to figure out. Me I try to figure out how to write for a story. But anyway, sis, me I go home. So, look at me here.
Alright.
And thanks for the advice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yo, cuz.
Cuz, Diane.
Yeah, me I hear cuz. Me just go down grandma, you know. And me see how the two man name type, you know. Me cuz we are doing a right, you know. Me not like that, you know, cuz.
Yo, hold on. Hush, better. Come on, no, you're talking, man. Make people like you, yeah. Right? Man. Hush, better.
Cuz, Lexi no worthy, cuz. Me I tell you, cuz Lexi no worthy. Me not like what you do. We are doing a right, cuz.
Yo. I'm about to beg you, son. Which way? Me I come up there right now. I come up there right now, man.
Cuz me not there, you know. Me not there.
Yo, stop the foolishness, man. That right now you have blood on the phone. That's yourself, man. I have no say I don't there. I have only you right now. Stop going like that. I just say nothing to nobody, you know. I'm sure say, oh, you're worried about me. I have that blood on the phone. Right now.
Pinky, what's about today? Sound like you out that door somewhere. Make me hear opinion all of them, man. Be over your yard. Yeah, me answer. Make sure I say nothing to nobody, you know. Cause me and your cousin. But you don't know me. Just make sure I say you hold it down. You hear? You hear me say? Me say, if you make sure.
Hello? Hello?
Last time. We walked around one place, like one house, no, on the bottom floor, like up. Spoiler, what you got to do?
Wait, first of all, who is this? Hello? Hello?
Babes, I'm so glad to see you. See if I can, see if I find one cars in camp for me.
Look in that one. Look in there, there's no hammer and no upside. There's no upside and cut off, you know. Hammer, anything.
Come, hide. Hide.
I don't know how long gonna keep around and what.
Yeah, man, we think I time to let go now. Well, what the fuck is that? Come to get expired.
But you look like it thought something that it thought already too.
Yeah, it's because
man, Rasta man,
all the good man, yeah, man.
You don't get nothing for it, you know.
But check that man the food, cause you know.
Man, I need the crackers down, man.
Check in food, man.
That's it.
Yo, search in pocket and down get the key. Get the key.
Let me put it here instead.
Oh, you know something there though?
No. Somebody just called me and just told me instantly.
No, this is going on now.
So if you make the man just climb up, so what's the point? Yeah, feel free.
What do you do?
Make a time. Come, make a time.
That's it. Yeah.
Teaching. What do you want? What? Didn't feel in person. Yeah, time. Come, babes, time up.
Come on, baby. Yeah. Let's see how I wanna. What is? Come lose this, Lexi.
You really think me feel lose it? Akeem, I love you as my best friend, but you cross the line, Akeem. You tie up. You can't say all my boyfriends.
I'm not tired of a kidnap.
Yeah, true, kidnap.
Can't really. Lexi. Every single thing we may ever do, I do it for you. I can't believe I can't see this. Oh.
What sort of nonsense is this, Akeem? I mean, we're friends. We're just friends, Akeem. We've been friends over 15 years. 15. You were there when I cried. You were there when I was hurt.
Even your first boyfriend.
What are you talking about?
You don't never believe. It's me get gone, white girl give him and him leave you. Never have no loyalty, Lexi. And me are the only constant in the equation. And you don't think me deserve where you get to all of them on here will come and leave you, even though not always there for you.
So you mean to tell me that you...
That isn't even the half of it.
All these years. And we couldn't even sleep properly, Akeem. And I think that in betraying me was you behind all of this.
Him did betray you.
Akeem, everybody came and hurt me, and out of all persons, you, Akeem, you. I can't believe the last person who I had my trust in. You're just the same with them, Akeem. There's no difference in you. Look at you, Akeem. You kidnapped 2 men.
But there's a difference.
And you think that's normal? You think that's normal? You're sick.
You're probably right. Probably I am sick.
You are. You are indeed a sick human being.
After everything that I have done for you, none of these men that have been here and that have left can't even measure up to the things that
I've never seen you as an intimate person. I've seen you as a best friend.
Me and the next person was kidnapped. We just free ourselves, and the person who kidnapped us is here now. We have him chained up, and we don't want to go jungle justice. So somebody needs to come and arrest this person right now. We're at Red Ground. Miss Sylvie, yeah, the old lady. Yeah, we want to back our house. Just make the siren sound and we come out of the gate. I'm going to take up right now. No, we have him chained up. Alright?
Yeah, we're ready. Your siren will come. Come on.
You're gonna watch me. You're gonna watch me walk away. And you'll rot in hell.
So, babes, all of your place looks so now. You always clean and so, how around now?
Babes, I would even understand, you know. Right now, I'm stressed out. I can get locked up. Can't believe.
Wait then, no tell me say I kill two man them. Because if you kill two man them with true, you must go to prison too. Because you could have saved them life.
No, B. I'm not kill them. I just see kidnapping them, find out about. So I'm just sorry saying really that sharing life for one girl.
Well, enough of that, you know, baby. Because he might live a good life right you know, 3 meals a day. But enough of that. What you cook?
You know, cook nothing. Tell us I'm stressed.